Hey everybody, I'm Ted. I'm here with Lauren. Today we're going to talk about reducing cancellations with a warm down. Let's talk about why a warm down is important. Canceled deals are extremely costly to organizations and individuals. The average cancellation will cost a company upwards of $1,500 in time and resources. To help prevent cancellations, best practices like practicing warm downs are critical.
Buyer's remorse is one of the leading causes of voluntary canceled deals. It frequently comes from a deflated feeling that a customer gets after signing a deal and then having second thoughts due to initial overexcitement.
A way to combat buyer's remorse and best practice to reduce cancellations is to perform what's called a warm down after a customer signs up. During a warm down, you should spend time with your customer and continue explaining next steps. Next steps are so important. Many consultants have checklists, which they review and leave behind with their customers.
These checklists frequently include project timelines, including estimated time for site survey, design completion, installation, and PTO, points of contact, referral program information, a recap of system information, and summary of their project. During this review, many consultants will slow down and pause while asking these questions while repeating the words, "the next steps are," as the warm down is essentially a continuation of the assumptive close.
Yeah, I remember being in the home, and next steps are is so important to keep that consultation moving forward, but also it's critical because a proper warm down enables customers to come to terms with their decision, enables them to ask final questions, and shows them that you're not just in it for the signature. You're explaining the next steps like a true consultant. And that is the key to building a relationship for the long term.
And as a next step, we recommend creating or reviewing your leave behind materials and practicing warming down with a colleague. And also don't forget, this is a great time to ask for referrals.
I see what you did there. You told them what the next step was. Check out other videos on the consultation to learn more best practices with NextIQ. You don't want to miss What's Next?